The definition of political system and ideology. Political ideology is a set of ideas, beliefs, values, and opinions that exhibit reassuring patterns that compete intentionally or unintentionally in providing a plan of action for public policy making in an effort to justify, explain, oppose, or change the social and political arrangement and processes of a political community. The next is types of ideology is capitalist. Capitalist is an economic system based on private ownership of the means of production and their operation for profit. Liberalist. Liberalist is a political and moral philosophy based on freedom, concern of the governed on and equality before the law. Communist is an ideology and a philosophical, social, political, and economic movement whose goal is the establishment of a communist society, a socio-economic order structure on the idea of common ownership of the means of production and the absence of social classes, money, and the state. Socialist is a populist economic and political system based on public ownership. Nationalist is an ideology in which people believe that their nation is superior to others. Fascists use propaganda to promote anti-liberalism, reject individual rights, civil liberties, free enterprise, and democracy anti-socialist. Reject economic principle based on a socialist framework, excluding certain groups. Often through nationalists, they also use violence to expand the influence and power of the nation. Feminist is a social, political, and economic movement. Feminist is an ideology about changing the way people see the rights of men and women, especially for women, and campaigning for gender equality. The last is conclusion. Political system and ideologies are complementary in shaping the structure of government and the way of life in a country. An understanding of both is important to know how power is exercised and how a country organizes social, economic, and political life. Ideology provides the philosophical basis for a political system, while the political system is the operational way to implement the ideology. Thank you for your attention and see you all!